Hello students, today we are going to discuss about a very important topic. The knowledge about this topic is very useful to you in the day-to-day life. Children, have you noticed while traveling by a bus, a small box behind the driver? There will be a separation bars, otherwise a screen will be there behind the driver, isn't it? So there at the top of the separation, have you noticed a box will be there with the symbol, the addition symbol plus in white color as rounded like this. Do you know what is the use of that box? Why the box is kept there? Anyone know? Yes, very good. It is the box which contains some medicines. What is the need of this medicine? Because is there some people injured, the passengers injured. Think about the situations that if the driver apply the brake suddenly, then some passengers will hit on the bars, will hit each other, and they may get the injuries on their head, nose or somewhere. So, like that injured person, to give the primary medicinal help, the medicines are kept inside the box. Not only in the bus, in all kinds of vehicles, you can see. If you have the two-wheelers in your house, inside that also there will be a small medicinal kit to give the help, medicinal help to the injured person. So, to give the medicinal help of the injured person as a primary level, we are calling it as first aid. What is? The primary medicinal help we are giving to the person, injured person, is called first aid. This is chapter 6 and topic is safety and first aid. As first, we are going to discuss about the topic first aid, and we will discuss later, we will discuss about the safety. Okay, so the general medicines, some of medicines kept inside the box in the bus and other kinds of vehicle is called first aid box. What is first aid box, otherwise first aid kit? Why we are calling it as first aid? First aid means the primary help, medicinal help given to the injured person before the doctor's arrival, otherwise taking him to the hospital. So we are calling it as first aid. Do you know what is the use? Why we have to give the first aid to the injured person? Wouldn't we take him immediately to the hospital? Because it may take some time. Maybe the doctor reaches to the injured person, otherwise the injured person taken to the hospital. It may take some time. So in between that time, the injured person may feel more pain, otherwise the injury become worse. If bleeding is there, blooding is going on, the blood will lost, the blood lost will be greater. So it is very helpful to the injured person if the primary medicinal help is given. So that we call first aid. So giving first aid to the injured person, it will be very helpful to save the person's life, because if bleeding is there, blooding is going on, we have to control the wasting of blood. Otherwise, sometimes the injured person's life will be in danger. he lost his life. So on those situations, the first aid is very helpful one. And not only that, by giving first aid, the pain to the pain getting by the injuries to the injured person may reduce, and also the wound won't be get worse. We may give the first aid. Not only in vehicles, it is must to keep a first aid kit or box in our houses also, because accidents may happen anywhere. Accidents means it is not only just two vehicles colliding each other. If we just fall, we slipped and fall down, and if we get any cuts, any wounds, it may be called accidents. Accident is nothing but suddenly happen and hurting the person. Suddenly happening incidents and hurting the person is called what? Accidents. So it may happen anytime, anywhere. So in our house also, keeping the first aid box is a very important one. See, in my house also, I am keeping a first aid box. Say I have the general medicines. See, the Dettol. And nowadays it is very important, the sanitizers, because we are facing the pandemic disease corona, and this is for the injuries, and this is called bandage, one kind of bandage, and this is another one, cotton bandage. See, we can tie this by keeping what? Medicine. We can tie this. It's another kind of bandage there. I have cotton to clean the wounds or cut, and I also having this kind of bandage also to band-aid also to wrap over the wounds or cut. So like that, keeping a first aid box in our house also very important one, because to give the primary medicinal help to the injured person. So about this first aid, and also the for all kinds of wounds, all kinds of injuries, the giving first aid is not same. There will be different steps for the different injuries. So about that also we are going to discuss now.